ProEZ foam is the easy-to-use solution for instrument cleaning challenges. It works quickly in as little as 1 to 2 minutes and provides anti-corrosive protection to instruments during prolonged delays. Personal protective equipment, PPE for instrument reprocessing, includes waterproof gown or apron, mask, and non-latex utility gloves. Step 1. Prepare sprayer bottle to dispense product. ProEZ foam is shipped in 24-ounce bottles with a leak-resistant induction sealed cap. Remove the induction seal, insert the uptake tube of the spray head, screw spray head on. Step 2. Apply ProEZ foam to contaminated instruments. Do not dilute. The product is ready to use. Spray about 6 to 8 inches from instrument surfaces. Spray directly on visible soils and onto box locks, serrations, and other heavily contaminated areas. Step 3. Allow up to 5 minutes contact time, but with light soils, 1 to 2 minutes is sufficient. Step 4. Rinse foam off with cold water prior to placement in automatic washers or ultrasonic instrument cleaning tanks. ProEZ foam is the easy-to-use solution for instrument cleaning challenges. It's available in a 24-ounce bottle with special foaming spray head. For more information or to arrange complimentary evaluation samples, visit the Sertal website at www.sertal.com.